The diversity of a mutual fund, along with the ability to trade like a stock, sounds like the perfect blend, right? Well, yes, we will discuss one such instrument, an exchange traded fund. Although ETFs are new in the Indian markets, they are gaining momentum rapidly. Stay tuned to know more about ETFs in detail. An exchange traded fund is like a basket of stocks, bonds, and other securities, just like mutual funds, with the difference that they can be bought or sold on a stock exchange. Just like you need all the perfect ingredients to make a perfect dish, a pooled fund such as an ETF offers you different ingredients, which are securities, to create a diversified portfolio to match your taste. There are various types of ETFs available for an investor to select from, such as broad market ETFs, sectoral ETFs, commodity ETFs, and bond ETFs. Broad market ETFs. These are the funds that track a specific stock index such as the Nifty 50, S&P 500, Sensex, and whose performance is based on the movement of one of these indices. Sensex ends 169 points higher on Wednesday. Well, now that's a statement that will greatly affect your ETF under this type. The main objective of these ETFs is to replicate the returns of the underlying index. Examples of such broad market ETFs under Nifty 50 are HDFC Nifty 50 ETF, Axis Nifty ETF, Nifty Next 50, SBI Nifty Next 50 ETF, and under Sensex 30 are SBI Sensex 30 ETF, UTI Sensex 30. Now coming on to sectoral ETFs. Sectoral ETFs limit your investments to a particular sector or industry such as tech or automobile. This means under this ETF, one will get exposure only to a particular sector. For instance, IT sector ETFs will only have IT and tech related stocks such as TCS, Infosys, HCL Technologies, etc. Examples of such ETFs under different sectors are NetFit ETF, which consists of Nifty IT stocks in the fund portfolio, eBank ETF, which consists of Nifty bank stocks in its fund portfolio. Commodity ETFs. Ever thought of having gold as an asset without the hassle of keeping it safe in physical form? Well, that is exactly what a commodity ETF does by providing exposure to the commodity markets that consists of oil, gold, silver, and many other essential commodities without actually holding them in physical form. Some of the ETFs with gold as a commodity are SBI Gold ETF, Kotak Gold, Gold Bees. Moving on to the last type of ETF, which is the bond ETF. Well, these provide a pool of options under fixed income instruments and mainly bonds. This brings the world of fixed income securities together with investing stock market style through a broker. Examples of such ETFs are Liquid Bees, having government securities as their underlying assets, and the EBIT F0425, which is a Nifty Bharat bond. Now, after knowing the basics of an ETF and its various types, in the next video we will talk about important factors to be considered before selecting ETFs and why one should prefer ETFs over certain mutual funds.